Hello you beautiful peeps, very quick video on the Formula 1 car. This is basically just a very quick update video. We're just testing it now to see if my theory is correct. If you see underneath here, I put some fishing weights. They are 10 ounces each, so 20 ounces at the front, and at the rear, on that one, they are 12 ounces, so 24 ounces on the rear. My theory is that all of my problems were because the gyro, while working correctly, wasn't able to, or in conjunction with the tyres not being grippy enough and having enough weight at the front, which was just not operating correctly. So I'm hoping this is not what it's going to stay like. I just need to see if my theory is correct. So I thought, let's do it on camera. Why not? So, well, at least it still runs. That's good, I suppose. That was me just testing, FYI. Doesn't look so successful, does it? What is that crunching sound? Oh, I see. My weights are making it rub on the ground somewhat. Okay, so far we're looking at getting foams for it without a shadow of a doubt. Do you hear it crunching as it goes along? Oh, that bus worries me. Just checking the gyro settings, why that bus is hit. 75 VR. So let's change it to SD because I still don't know what difference that is. Okay, that's too much. What do you reckon, Colin? Is that pretty definitive that weight is not the issue? I'm just warming up the rear tyres. Oh, that's looked better, didn't it? That was me doing that because I knew the coaches were there. Okie dokie. So, ladies and gents, I have to say my theory was wrong. It's not weight based. Without a shadow of a doubt, there is something that is affecting this. I think it would be better if we were up into RLAARLO, our other speedrun area, because it's flatter than what this area is here. And without doubt, that one run that I got was faster than 60 kilometers an hour. I know that for sure. But the downside of having that extra weight is that the car's running lower and hitting everything constantly, which isn't good for it. The suspension isn't able to do what it's supposed to be doing properly. So, it was a good test, but it's not completely solved the problem. So thank you so much for watching. I will keep you updated. Subscribe, hit like, take care, bye-bye.